Giving it to other people and it works, especially ladies who have marriageable age and suitors are not coming. I give this simple thing to them. I don't even collect anything. I just go and use it that way. And you see, in a very, very short time, they come to me. I say, people are coming. I don't know which one to take. I say, just take your time and pick the one that you want. This leaf will make you to be attractive to the opposite sex. Yes, the opposite sex will be attracted to you with this leaf. The leaf is miracle leaf. So we are going to be discussing miracle leaf for attraction and for love spell. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel Smart Idea TV, where we discuss spirituality. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Lukman and you are welcome to our channel. Go to the subscribe button, go down below this video and see the subscribe button and subscribe so that we can welcome you to the family. Go to the comments and let us know where you are watching us from. Now, to use miracle leaf for attraction and as a love spell, you are going to be needing another item, another spiritual item with the leaf, with miracle leaf. You are going to be using another spiritual item, and in this sense, it's going to be a perfume. It's a spiritual perfume. It is called Bint El Sudan. This is it. Bint El Sudan. This is Bint El Sudan. It's Bint El Sudan. You can see Bint El Sudan. I'm going to be writing the name for you so that you can see Bint El Sudan. That's the name. So you are going to be using the Bint El Sudan and the miracle leaf together in a particular way to give you that attraction that you desire. Are you of age? You are of marriageable age and no suitor is coming. Are you a lady? No suitor is coming. Are you a man? No woman is interested in you. Or in your workplace, people are not favoring you. You are not getting the desired attention. You are into entertainment, but people don't like you. You are an MC, master of ceremony, but wherever you go to, people don't enjoy you. Or you sell, people don't come to your shop. You are lacking attraction. That's what you are lacking. People are not attracted to you, and it's not your fault. But thank God you are coming in contact with this video today. This is going to liberate you. And the two items that you are going to be needing are not something very difficult. They are something you can get. You can get. But I want you to listen and listen very well. Just follow the instruction. Just watch this video from the beginning till the end. Don't rush off thinking that you know it all. Just listen, because a lot of people get this wrong at a stage because they don't watch the end. They just speak from the beginning and rush off thinking they already know it. No, there are some things I'm going to be showing you which you must listen very well and watch till the end. It's not going to be long. Now, the leaf, the miracle leaf, you're going to be needing 16. You're going to be needing 16. The leaves, just cut it one by one. It can be the smaller type, it can be the bigger type. Just make sure you cut 16. If you cannot get 16 leaves, maybe where you are, the leaves are not that much, just get 7 if you are a female, or if you are a male, you get 9. And before I continue, I want to encourage you to have this plant at home. If you have a house of your own, you can plant it in your garden. But if you live in a rented apartment, then you can plant it in the pot and put in your room, your living room, or your balcony or veranda. Just put it there, or behind your window. Just put it. It's not something, it grows everywhere. This leaf grows everywhere. Miracle leaf is not new. If you want to see more video on the benefit of miracle leaf, then I'm going to be linking this video for you here. Now let's continue. If you are a female, if you cannot get 16 leaves, if you are a female, you get 7. If you are a male, you get 9 leaves. Now you are going to be squeezing the leaf, or you can blend it. Blend the leaf, blend it very well. The leaf is not hard, it's very succulent, very succulent. It's water based, it has a lot of water in it. It's very succulent. So you can blend it or you can squeeze it. What you need is the liquid. Is the liquid from this leaf. Is the liquid that you need. So if you blend it, you have to sieve it. You sieve it and you get the liquid out, then you throw the shaft away. Now once you have this, just put it in the container. Put it in a container. Put it in a container, and you add your spiritual perfume, Bint El Sudan. This is very good for attraction. You open it and add it into it. You add it into the liquid of the miracle leaf. Add the spiritual perfume, Bint El Sudan. Add it into it. You can just, if you get this size, then you can use half. If you have this type, then you can use like 4 cup, the cover. Use 4 or 5 into your liquid in the container. Then you check it very well. You just be using it to rub your body. It does not disturb your cream. It does not disturb you are not using it to bathe. You are using it to just rub after taking your bath. Before you step out of your house in the morning, you just use it. You apply some in your hand. Use it to just rub your face, your hands, and your body. And if possible, your belly button. Just put some in your belly button. And if you continue to use this, you see the opposites are getting attracted to you. People will start noticing you. If you have a store, then people will start patronizing you. If you are into information business, then people will like you and be inviting you. You are an MC, you do talk show, then people will be attracted to you. They will just start loving you. They will start loving you. This is very important. It's very effective. I use it in the days earlier because I do MC. I'm also a teacher. I teach, I do MC, and I see when I started using it, things started getting better. I even use it when I started this channel. At a point, when I learned this, I started using it, and I realized the subscribers are coming. Because it's very effective. You have to use it. So that's one way of using it. The second way of using it is to the mixture that you have. That means the liquid and the spiritual perfume that you added and put in a container. Say your intentions into it, and you can add it to your cream. The cream that you use, you are the type that rubs cream. Then you add it into your cream. Then you'll be using it every time. After taking your bath, you just use it to rub. And you see, anywhere you go, people will start be attracted to you. And once they are attracted to you, they'll be giving you a lot of things. If you are the type, your intention is to use it to attract the opposite, the opposite will be coming. They will be rushing you. In fact, they will be rushing you. They will be coming. You will be the one to choose the one you want. If you are using it to attract customers, then customers will be coming. If you are using it to attract your superiors at your workplace, then you have people, your superiors will notice you and start promoting you. If you are doing any business that involves attracting the other people will start noticing you, and you'll be attracting them, and they'll start coming and they will be blessing you. That's the essence of this. This is very simple but very effective. Don't say because it's simple it doesn't work. No, it works. A lot of people are using it. I've used it myself. At least if others have not, if there is no one that can say, but I've used it and I know that it works. If you want to see other powerful attraction recipe that will help you to attract the opposite sex, then watch this video here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.